should not be doing a video this week because I don't feel too well. The weather is cold, but I feel like someone needs to see this. Someone needs to hear this. Okay, so I do look at all my comments, and I've seen a lot of people, not a lot, but I've seen a few people that are commenting about AI coming to get my job. I should, you know, work at my job while I can because AI is coming for me. This is a job for AI. And today I just want us to talk about that. Okay? This video is not going to be long. I'm not going to make it over 10 minutes. But it's going to be worth watching. So, AI. AI is not coming for my job. No. AI is not coming for anyone's job. You know why? Because AI is not gonna come and do deployments. AI is not gonna come and set up new users, set up workstations, set up printers. AI is not gonna come and troubleshoot those printers. AI is not gonna come and troubleshoot new users, troubleshoot users when they have issues. AI is not gonna come and troubleshoot hardware. AI is not gonna come and manage software, manage hardware. AI is not gonna come and manage the assets that you all have at your company. You are gonna do that by yourself. So being an IT technician, being an IT support technician is the only role that I can 100% tell you that AI is not gonna come for. At least, not at least, as far as tech is concerned, being an IT technician, AI is not coming for your job unless you become not marketable, because you have to learn every day. You have to learn new technologies. You have to, learn new skills, be informed about the current technologies that are going on in the world. So when I hear people talking about AI, I just feel like first of all, 100% of them do not work in tech. I know that 100% of them don't work in tech, because if you work in tech, you're going to know that AI is not coming for this job. This is a physical job. This is a job that you gotta do. And as a matter of fact, AI needs AI technicians. Even the AI you're talking about need AI technicians. You need AI maintenance. It needs people to physically be there. That is where technicians, IT technicians come in. That is where Helpdesk technicians, Helpdesk specialists, desktop technicians come in. These are all entry level jobs, guys. So I've seen a few people on my comment section. I don't know if they're ignorant or they're just trying to discredit me or discourage someone else. But if your only excuse not trying to get into tech, even though you really want to work in tech, is AI is coming for them, then you then you really do not have an excuse, because I'm gonna work here, I'm gonna do so much better, and I'm gonna excel. I'm already excelling. It's been going so well, so I don't need to say much. But it's not something that I can explain. You need to break into tech to be able to say it. But that's it about AI, guys. AI is not coming for nobody, because you need to learn the skills. The world is changing every day. What the world is today is not what it's gonna be tomorrow. AI is gonna come take your job if you're not learning. That's the same way someone is gonna come take your job if you're not learning. So you need to learn. AI is people. People are just being confused. AI is people. Someone else is gonna come take your job if you go to your job and you become lazy and you don't learn, you don't improve, you don't make yourself marketable, you don't make yourself indispensable. AI is gonna come take your job. That's the same way someone is gonna come take your job. AI is not AI. AI is someone. AI is another person. AI is designed by people. And you telling an IT technician that AI is gonna come take the job is just so delusional. But that's it, guys. I'm working from home today. Today's my last day in the office. I'm going on a short vacation. I'm gonna visit a few places. Hopefully, I'm gonna post videos about my vacation and what I do and what I do not do. I'm gonna post some videos. I'm gonna try to take some videos. I'm not really a video person. You can tell from the way I do my videos. But the only way, the only shortcut to life is to never miss a day. Because sometimes you get lucky, okay? And you can never miss a lucky day if you try every day. This is, I feel like this is the most simplified definition of life because it cuts across everything. School, going to the gym, working out, writing a book, transitioning careers, breaking into a new career, everything. You know, at your job, it cuts across everything. Self-discipline, dealing with adversity, it cuts across everything. Okay, I'll take it again. The only shortcut to life is to never miss a day. Because sometimes you get lucky and you're never gonna miss a lucky day if you're trying every day. Let's say you're trying to start a business. You've been working hard and there's a day that you don't want to do too much. You're feeling down. You've not been getting the results that you want. On that day, try. Send one email, make one phone call, respond to an email, reach out to a customer or someone that reached out to you. Try. Just try. Maybe you're trying to lose weight, maybe you're trying to gain weight, maybe you're going to the gym. Yes, the days that a lot of days I do go to the gym. There are a lot of days that I don't want to go to the gym. I don't go every day, but this on a schedule, there's a lot of days that I don't want to go to the gym, and on those days, go to the gym. Work out for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, come back. You don't need to, on the days that, like if you're trying to write a book, on the days that you don't have ideas, you're feeling down, the book journey has not been paying off, take your pen and your jotter and write 10 words. If you cannot write 50 or 100, write 10 words. Use what you're feeling as a motivation to write 10 words towards your book. If you want to break into a new career, it's the same thing. The days that you do not want to, that you don't want to, the days that are so discouraging, like you feel like I've been doing this for a year, I've been doing this for 2 years, I've been doing this for 5 months. Show up for yourself. Do it for 30 minutes on that day. 10 minutes if you have to. Meditate about it if you have to. Show up for yourself. Try to do it every day. It's all about discipline. That's it. Show up for yourself. You don't need to do everything. You don't need to do a lot. You just need to do a little. because that's what counts, that's what adds up. In life is not a destination, because eventually we all leave. That means eventually life beats us. So life is not a destination. Life is what you do in between. Imagine you're taking a trip. The destination is it's not the goal actually. If you're taking a trip, imagine life as a trip that you're going on. The destination, your goal, is not the destination where you want to end at. Your goal should be the journey, what you do, everything. Excuse me. So, I don't know if it is still on AI, but I'm just trying to motivate someone to better themselves. It's not about tech. I'm doing it with tech. I'm not motivating you to do it with tech. You might want to be an electrician, a plumber, a mechanic, an AI technician. Excuse me. You might want to work in a hospital. Yeah. So me trying to motivate someone to get into tech is the same way you can. I'm not trying to only motivate people to get into tech. I'm trying to motivate people to do something that works for them. It might be getting into being a technician, an electrical technician. It might be an auto. It might be a salesperson. You might want to be a banker. You might want to be a physician. You might want to be a dental technician. I don't know how to call that stuff, but yeah, but you get it. Just try every day. Like, that's the only shortcut to life. To never miss a day without trying. If you have a business, make one business call. I do have a business. The reason why I post all of this is not only because I want you all to see it, it's because I want to also digest the information, because I need it. Anyways, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. If you have a comment, leave it in the comment section. If you want me to do a video about your comment, because I've seen a lot of comments that they're asking for stuff, for information, and I don't know how to do it. If you want me to do a video about a particular thing when it comes to tech or travel or stuff, just leave it in the comment and just ask if I can do a video about it, so that I should know that you want a video about it, and I'll do a video about it, and hopefully I might tag you so that you see it, or I might use a caption and you might see it. And till then, peace and love.